Let's have a look inside here. I need spring and machine protection on. Look. Right, we can have a look inside one of these channel feeder things. There's a hex in there. So it's moving. Looks like it's just that little catch there now. There, come on. There it goes. Now, inside. Ready. Now. Still feels like something's holding it. Maybe it's up there in. There it goes. There it goes. Ah, there you go. What we got? Got a ball bearing, looks like maybe a rotor encoder. Can't be a motor, can it? I've got this little spring. That's where the filament goes up. So that must be what wasn't working, right? Not sure. Take him out. It's got that sprung loaded. Let's take the bearing out of the way. Get the ball bearing. Is that going to be a motor, do you reckon? Ball bearing there. That's come out now. So we've got a magnet in it, so that is a Hall effect. But why would it stop recognising the filament? Little bearing. Should be wondering it. Looks like are there magnets in there? Look. Yeah, they are. So that's another little Hall effect wheel for the tacho, I guess. Well, in that case, it can't have been pressing on there well enough. Let's get the right one out, anyway. Yeah, number one. I've been worried there, I took the wrong one out. Well, I don't know why that wasn't pressing on it enough. I don't know. Well, that's it. That's what's in one of them anyway. Well, that's got all magnets in. This little arm is sprung loaded with a little magnet at the end running over that sensor there. So that's one or both of those. Can't have been working. I can't see anything that looks particularly worn, unless that spring wasn't very all the Hall effect sensors gone. Who knows? Anyway, thanks for watching.